Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you guys are new, my name is Aaliyah. My lips are dry. Oh. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aaliyah and welcome back. If you guys are not new here and you guys are coming back, that means you guys love me. Anywho, one thing about it and two things for sure. I love me a good curly wig, and Asteria Hair sent me a lovely 6x6 closure wig to try today. I love me a good curly wig, and I love me a 13x6, 13x4, whatever. Sometimes my forehead can't take it. I need a break. I'm gonna try this lovely 22 inch. It's really pretty, it's very curly. It's a 180% density as well. Medium size cap. In the box, we have lashes, bands, of course. Can't go wrong with the edge brush. And the HD wig cap right here. And a dust bag, of course, with their branding on it to put the wig in. This is what the ends look like as well. It's so soft. I mean, it is 180% density. I think it's like a deep curl. I'm not gonna assume. I'm just gonna put down the details in the description. In the insides, there is a comb and an elastic band that is adjustable and removable as well. I absolutely love these HD wig caps, and I love that it comes with two. My hair is already like sleeked back already because I had already took off another wig from before a couple hours ago. I'm going to take my 91% alcohol on a cotton pad and literally just put that all over my forehead right here. And honestly, I really don't need to do this step because I literally just came out of the shower, but go ahead and do it anyways. If you're watching this and you're trying to install a wig, just go ahead and do it anyways. I'm just gonna tighten the elastic band in there a little bit because I like my wigs feeling snug, even though it's a glueless wig. That is crazy. I didn't even do anything to it. I'm just gonna wet it also. This is what it looks like. You could kind of see my cap under it, but I'm just gonna put down some concealer so that way you don't see it. To melt it down, I'm gonna be using the Wonderlace Bond by Ebin, and it's the Extreme Firm Hold. Look, before I was using the red one, and it was strong, but this one, yeah. And I'm able to control it and put it where I want to put it. First of all, let's clip this back. To put it wherever I want to put it, I'm just going to be spraying it on my finger and then laying it down like that. So that way I can have like some control on the placement of where I put it. And then I'm just going to let it dry for a little bit before I put it down. Oh my gosh, I look like a freaking egghead, dog. Okay, now that it's a little tacky, because it's not 100% dry, it's just tacky. Now I'm gonna scoot it down into it, and then I'm just going to do that, brush it into it, press it into it a little. I wanna go in with the hot comb and just push the hair back. Pin the hair up so that way I can tie my elastic band properly. I'm gonna wet the hair a little bit so that way I can define the curls some more. My favorite thing to put on not only my natural hair but my curly wigs is this Defying Styling Gel by Shea Moisture. I use a little bit, so I'm just gonna use a little bit on this section. And I spray the hair where it's like wet enough like a little damp, I will say. And I just detangle it, and then I add curl defining gel to it. And I love it so much because it does not make your hair feel like sticky or stiff. I'm just going to peel it back a little bit. Tip I used, well, a tip I learned for the for it to look more natural is to cut off those little thick pieces on the side. I don't know if you can see them. Like that. Cut it off so that way it just lays flat. So that's what I'm gonna do first. I'm just gonna cut it like that into mini sections. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it, and I'm gonna use the razor to cut the extra lace off. Like that. Now that we cut that off, this is what it looks like. It looks a mess. Don't lie, it looks a mess. Put down my Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and I like to use it in the shade 12. It does come with 2 shades on the side, but I like to go on with the darker side. I find that it just blends a little better with my skin. And I'm just gonna put that strictly on the lace. I'm not going to touch my skin with it. It does look a little better, a lot better, actually. I'm just going to put that same foundation that I put on the front on my part as well to cover my cap, because before you could kind of see my cap, but now you can't, or you can barely see it. So yeah. And my diffuser broke, so we're just going to blow dry my hair. I'm just gonna go back in with my hot comb, my wax stick, just a tiny bit. Biosilk, that much, just to lay down any flyaways. This is the end of the video. It literally took me less than an hour to do all of this, surprisingly. I take longer on my hair, but it is a closure wig, and it is a 6x6 closure wig from Asteria Hair. All the details for this wig is going to be linked in the description down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this exact unit, or if you guys want this exact unit in a different inch, that's available down below as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.